Hi, welcome to Hardware Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to change fire mode in Borderlands 4 game. Basically, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is just to open options, then here find controls on the top tab of your screen. Then here you will see mouse and keyboard. Of course, if you play with the mouse and keyboard, if you play with controller, you can select controller and find the settings here. But open mouse and keyboard, scroll a bit down to combat block, and here you will see fire gun, as you can see. And here we have fire gun on the left button. Okay, but if you want to change the fire mode, so here you have change gun mode. As you can see, this is the main settings, just to change gun mode, change fire mode. And by default, you can change gun mode using the C button. Sometimes it cannot be forked, so you can rebind this function to different button. Or if you just didn't know how to do that, so now you know, because standard button to do that is C. Thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below of this video just to support our channel. Bye, see you.